15 adorable free crochet beanie hat patterns. This free and easy crochet hat pattern is perfect for anyone, from beginners to experienced makers. This is a free crochet hat pattern for the wanderlust beanie that works for both men and women. This free pattern helps you make the Arctic Gem Beanie, a hat that uses one skein of Caron X Pantone yarn. This free crochet pattern teaches you how to make a beanie that is perfect for beginners. This free crochet pattern shows you how to make a classic fisherman beanie. The free wheat stitch crochet beanie pattern lets you make hats for everyone in your family. This free crochet pattern shows you how to make the Brook Beanie, a quick and comfortable hat. This Farron Beanie is a simple, free crochet pattern that is easy to work up and is friendly for beginners. Make a beanie with this free crochet pattern. The yarn is soft, perfect for everyday wear. This free winter beanie pattern makes a quick hat for cold weather. This free pattern teaches you how to crochet a baby hat perfect for beginners learning crochet. This free crochet pattern helps you make a slouchy hat. It is a quick project that works up fast. This crochet pattern teaches you how to make a striped bucket hat. This free pattern shows you how to crochet a hat. It uses granny clusters and ribbing. This free pattern teaches you to crochet a simple beanie for men. Find all these patterns and more on craftinghappiness.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.